Improve your English vocabulary. He has a lot of money.
He is absolutely loaded.
Have a nice day.
Have a good one.
I am full.
I am stuffed.
Sorry, I feel asleep.
Sorry, I nodded off.
I am very busy.
I am swamped.
Why are you so angry?
Why are you pissed off?
Let's meet today.
Let's catch up today.
I am very happy.
I am over the moon.
I am not interested in singing.
Singing is not my cup of tea.
I am very good.
I am excellent.
I am very tired.
I am exhausted.
I am very hungry.
I am starving.
Can you help me?
Can you give me a hand?
I am sad.
I feel blue.
I like you a lot.
I am so into you.
The water is clear.
The water is transparent.
The bird is singing.
The bird is chirping a melody.
He is taking photographs.
He is capturing images.
The car is braking.
The car is slowing down.
He is eating a sandwich.
He is consuming a sandwich.
The mountain is covered in snow.
The mountain is blanketed with snow.
The room is dark.
The room is dimly lit.
She is drinking coffee slowly.
She is sipping at coffee.
The cat is making the crying sound.
The cat is meowing.
She is reading a novel.
She is perusing a work of fiction.
I don't have money.
I am broke.
I am listening to you.
I am all ears.